Hello, we are from Mastermind Group Section 4. Let's look the demonstration our game project, which is Crack the Egg. It is our game coding. So Control F5 to run the coding. Please kindly set your screen into full screen mode. After set out full screen, you may press any key to continue. So we set full screen and press enter. So this will be our game menu. Welcome to Crack the Egg. We have 3 options for user: 1 to start the game, 2 for game rules, 3 to exit the game. So for the first time, he or she will enter 2 for the game rule. Your option to enter. So our game rules: 1. You have to answer simple math question. 2. If answer correct, it will be correct by Uncle Simpson. 3. If answer wrong, it will not be correct. You either choose to quit or continue the game. Are you wish to continue play the game? Press 1 for yes, 0 for no. Yes, 1. Your option is 1 to start the game. Oh, we got Uncle Simpson. Hey, do you want me to crack it? So this uncle want to crack the egg. There is 5 unique animals in the egg, but there is exit only 1 extreme lucky animal. Try your luck. In order to crack the egg, you must answer question correctly. You have 2 chances to answer. Good luck. So we have 2 chances. The question is 79 plus 0. The answer is 79. Wow, we get chicken. I wish to continue play the game. Press 1 for yes, 0 for no. 1. We still have 2 chances left. 92 minus 9. 92 minus 9, we get answer is 83. Oh, we get penguin. Continue. Yes, I want continue. 1. 60 minus 4. The answer is 56. Oh, we get deer. So cute. Are you wish to continue play the game? Press 1 for yes, 0 for no. 1. 25 times 3. Let's say we answer wrong. So the answer 6. Oh, we get the other chance to answer. 56 minus 7. The answer is 49. Oh, we get chicken. Are you wish to continue play the game? Press 1. The question is 24 minus 9. Answer is 15. Oh, yes. You want a cute alpaca. Are you wish to continue play the game? Press 1 for yes, 0 for no. He or she wants to finish the game. If to quit the game, press 0 for no. 0 for no. Why you quit? But never mind. Hope you enjoy. You successfully quit the game. Have a nice day. So basically, this is our game demo. Thank you for watching.